I have a Dollar Tree haul and some DIY that I did with the DIY stuff I got. Some are done, some aren't. And I have Victor here. Yeah. He's checking it out. He's giving his approval. And Mr. Retros is here.
Hello.
Hello. So this is one that I got for him for some project he's going to do. Oops. Mm-hmm. It's really big. This one was $1.25. Yeah, this was $1.25. I went to the one Dollar Tree near me that has the more Dollar Tree Plus, I guess it's called. I don't know. But so he got this. You got big plans for this, Mr. Retros?
Oh yeah, big.
Big plans.
It's gonna be big.
Okay, so we can hardly wait to see this. So there's that. And then, they had these in. These are awesome. These are those jars.
Jar.
Like Jar Jar Kachu loves these. And they've got a seal. They seal really well. Like I put my espresso coffee in these. I think I'm going to use this one for dog treats. And the lid just screws on. These are really good for $1.25. I think that I've seen these at Goodwill and they want like $3 or $4. But that's Goodwill. They're kind of crazy that way.
Yeah.
Then, okay, this one I'm going to show. This is a before. I think I showed this already, but this is a before of this guy. This was in the Dollar Plus section, and I got there right when he was putting them out. They were $3, and they had this one. They had a kitty cat head and pumpkin head. So I'm going to rehab this a little bit. I'm going to do a flat finish on it, like a matte finish, which the matte finish really elevates them, makes them look like what they ain't. Yeah. I'm wondering if I should paint this gray. I think I might paint this orange gray. I'm not a big fan of orange. Ever since I did a rehab of a house that had tons and tons and tons of cheap Halloween stuff in it. So it kind of threw me off these colors. I'm still trying to get over it. So I might paint this gray, but if I do, I will show the after. So this is a work in progress, but it's cute this way too. This is your color palette. So put this here, but they chip real easy. Be careful with them. And these were, I'll show this. I have a before picture that I can. This was their little house, obviously. I airbrushed it. Let me turn the light on. It's got a light in it. This was $5, I think. Oh, you can't really see it with see, there's a light in there. Yeah, I airbrushed it to give it a little bit more dimension and let the detail, let me turn this off, come out a little. So I airbrushed it with some violet and pearl green type of thing. So it looks a little better. And there was a big, huge bat right here and right here, like this big. So I tore those off because it looked cornball, to put it plainly. So I will put the before over here somewheres if I can. So this one came out cute. I was going to do all my big talk. I was going to get a dollhouse at the thrift store and rehab it into a haunted house, blah, blah, blah. And this is as good as I'm going to get, I think. So that's my sad story there. Then I got these pumpkins, and I'll put a before picture. This one's nice. It's heavy. It's like cement. This one had a gold stem, which I'm not into bling. So I painted them this kind of a taupe, natural color. This one had I don't know. This one had like a other color, like a yellowy color or something. This one's heavy too. And then this one, see, these were all $1.25. This one had like a dark brown and it looked kind of weird. So they're kind of more neutrally shades. Let's see, can you see them? And I'll put the picture of the befores. So these are kind of nice for $1.25 a piece. Not bad. These are still get a little bit wet. And then these guys, really amazing turnout. I'll put a picture over here. This was very, very shiny black. But I was lucky to find this. Yeah, it was like this. Shiny, shiny. And I'll put a picture of, I masked out these lights just with some tape, some masking tape, and then he hit this with, oh, you were going to show me the spray you use. Oh, let me stop it for a sec.
Get it anywhere. Home
Okay,
Depot,
this is the
Lowe's,
stuff he got. This,
Hobby.
where'd you get this? Lowe's?
Yeah. It's just matte.
Flat clear.
Yeah, you just got to make sure it's
It worked really well. It was like easy, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So use this. I didn't need it on the house. That was already kind of flat. But this really elevated this. This has a light in it, but it's hard to see because these are such dark. You can kind of see.
Show at nighttime.
Yeah, at
picture.
nighttime. It's nice. So this came out. This is like looks 100 times better. This was $5 at the tree, and I think they had an orange one, but not big on orange, so no. I like this, and then I did the white one.
Yeah, I like that.
I really like the
Good.
white one. Looks really the white one I like better anyway. But let me turn it on.
Oh, you can actually see.
Yeah, you can
that.
actually see these ones. So this came out pretty good. I think you can see how flat it is. It's very nice. It's not shiny. And it feels nice and silky smooth. Very good job, Mr. Retros. Thank you, thank you.
It's hard to mask those little lights
Yeah.
off, though. But
Yeah.
maybe you could get away with not doing it. But I don't know. I don't like the idea of it.
I don't know. It wasn't that bad, and I'll put a picture to show masked off. But that's my haul. That's my story. I'll come back and show this when it's done. So I will see you later. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm back. We finished this one. It's all, I painted out that orange and to gray. I like it better. And he put this nice matte finish on it. So I think you can kind of see it. Yeah. I like it better matte. I think it just looks nicer. So that came out pretty good. I'll try to put a before picture there if I have one. But it's fun. It was easy. I just used regular old, the cheap pot acrylic paints that you get from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. You know, the little cream coat or creme coat. I don't know what they are. Apple barrel, whatever they are. And it went on one coat pretty good. And then when you put this matte finish on, it blends it all together. So this is very nice. I like it much better now. So that's what I've got. So I will see you later. Goodbye. Happy Halloween.